All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. You are welcome back to another exciting practical section at AI 360 Studios. My name is Samuel Upon, the operation manager here in AI360studios.com. And I'm thrilled to have you all join us today for our practical class that is taking place today. Here with me, my colleague is Grace Okafor. Grace, please kindly say hi to everyone before we move on. Grace Okafor, unmute yourself and say hi to us. Okay, without wasting much time, I guess she's not hearing me. Before we dive into today's hands-on experience, I want us to understand what AI 360 apps are all about. Those apps, if you look at them, they speak to each other. It's just like your phone, where you have all the applications inside your phone. Like you have your email there, you can store information, you can do your WhatsApp, you can send text messages. All the apps are inside one place, which is your cell phone. So invariably, you find out that the AI 360 Studio apps are even more than that because they interact with each other and they also speak with each other. The voice genius, the logo genius, the phone genius, just name them. All these apps actually communicate with each other to ensure that you have the best of the best of app. So before we dive into our hands-on there, let's quickly recap where we've been. That is what we did the last time. 2 sections ago, if we remember, we explored what Photo Genius is, and we showed you how it enhances style and transform image using AI. Whether it was background removal, light correction, or generating polished content ready photos. You all engage with tools creatively and produce impressive results. For those of us that did the practical, we saw that it was straightforward and we saw the image the photo genius was bringing out. Now, let's also know that the last section, which was the last Saturday, we took things further with Logo Genius. Logo Genius is the tool that gives us the power to generate professional brand-worthy logos in seconds. We found out that Logo Genius gives us clear logos and multiple choice for you to choose from. You can tweak, you can prompt it to give you a better image, as the case may be. You learned how to define brand identity, select appropriate visual style, and also export high-resolution logos ready for use across all digital platforms. You saw when we were exporting it, you share it to all other digital platforms. It was inspiring to see how each of us actually use those tools in our different assignments. However, today we are going to step up and we are going to look into a new creative dimension with Voice Genius. Yes, Voice Genius is one of the apps embedded in AI 360 Studios. This app is designed to transform how we generate, edit, and apply voice content using AI. Whether we are creating compelling voiceovers, changing vocal tones, or synchronizing voice to visuals. In a world driven by content, everything right now is about content. Voice is more powerful than ever. And this tool, that is the Voice Genius of AI 360 Studios, gives you the edge to sound professional and engaging, brand-like, and all just in a few seconds or with a few clicks. I know at the end of this practical section, we'll definitely be able to cover how to create lifelike voiceovers from text. Very, very important. We'll definitely get to learn that. We're also going to learn how to change voice inside existing videos. It's very simple and straightforward. And also the basis of voice matching, tone selection, and also language options. Yes, language options. You are very surprised that all these are embedded inside of it. And of course, don't forget, we are also going to learn how to export and apply your work across platforms to also monetize it. When you come to monetization with Voice Genius, without having a recording studio like we used to have before, where you spend millions to even set it up, you understand? You don't need to hire anybody to come and be a talent to be able to do voiceover for you. But just with a script, with an AI tool like Voice Genius, you are good to go. And in terms of monetization, we are going to list to you several ways of monetization. I don't know if time permits me, can I just run through it before we definitely go into the practical section? One of the ways to monetize it is offer voiceover service to YouTubers, podcasters, and course creators. You understand? You create custom intros, narrators, and brand audios. Number two is to generate audio version of blog posts or ebook. Very, very important. Turn written content into audio and sell it as an audio book. You understand? Companion guide or a podcast feed. Then number three, you can build an ad-ready audio clip for local businesses. Use Voice Genius to create compelling and ad scripts with voiceovers, perfect for radio, reels, and social media ads. You can also go ahead and monetize by you create a branded voice template for coaches or influencers. You make money from it. You understand? Produce reusable intros, outros. All these things is just for you to have time to do that thing. You understand? Number five is that you can also use it to power your own podcast or training series. You don't need any mic, no issues with trying to go and rent any other equipment. You use your Voice Genius to produce consistent episode or training audios hands-free. Number six, you can use it as a add voiceover options to video creations and services. That is another way to monetize it. That is, if you are using it, you can actually do that and actually make money out of it. So we're not going to waste much time. I don't know if Grace is set so that we look at the practical aspect of it, so that when we come back, we can actually dwell more on more important things. Grace, are you set for us?
Let me share my screen now.
Okay.
I'm coming. Can you see my screen? It's loading, right? It should be loading. Can you see my screen? Can you hear me?
Yes, your screen is coming up.
It's okay. So, Mr. Ferdinand, Dr. Ferdinand, you can take notes, okay? But later I will explain. I log in with my PC, right? So if you check my URL, you will see that same link we sent to you with your username. So that was the same thing I use here. Then you will see where to put your username, your email, then your password, which we also gave you that time. Okay, don't worry. After I will come to your email one-on-one if you don't understand. Okay, I have logged into our amazing AI 360 studio, and today we are looking for voice genius to work with, right? So I will go to the search app, type voice to locate the icon. This is the icon. I will just click on voice genius. All right. So we have 3 layers here, 3 layers, or 3 ways you can get your amazing voice in this platform. You can copy a website and paste it here, right? I was doing a work for my boss. So the last one I did, this was a website I used to do it, right? You can also get a description of what you want the voice to be all about. You can copy it and you paste it here, okay? Then custom allows you to build from scratch, okay? Maybe you want 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It is here that you can customize it and have more layers to have more voices or voiceovers, right? All right. So because of time, I don't know. Let's just use website. Am I allowed to use URL to do this demo? Should I go ahead, sir?
You are free any of the options. They are all
All right.
the same thing.
Awesome. So I'll click on the website, then copy the website you want to generate a voiceover for. For example, I'm working on a promo video for this site, okay? So I just copy the site here. Control copy, then Control V. You paste it here, okay? So this is the website, right? Then go to the theme. How do you want the voice to be? Or what is the goal of the voiceover? Okay, so for this website, it is a promo video, so it's all about sales. So I'll click on sales. So based on your own project, you select, is it a story project? Select story time. Announcement, you select. Inspiration, you select. So for this, my website here, I will select sales. So just click on create AI voiceover. In less than 4 minutes, our output will be ready. So the AI is thinking, it has gone through the website, so it wants to give me an amazing output I can use to promote, the website. Awesome. Audio created, right? Sales. Today's date is here. So if I play it, okay, let's just play it. Play. You gave me 44 seconds. I hope you can we hear the platform is designed to inspire success.
Yeah, we can hear.
Important to note that our past success stories. Awesome. Because of time, I will not play to the end, right? So look at these 3 dots here. Look at these 3 dots. This is the icon to download it. Maybe you're working with you want to do video, right? You want to get the voice here. Then after you use maybe video editor, the one we have here, video editor, and combine, your graphics, your movies, and your voice. So here, this is the icon for download. With time, it will control by here and stop. Okay. Then another thing I want to show you here is this. Under these three dots, you can manipulate how you want the audio to play, right? Playback speed. So the first one I played was under normal. If I want it to be slower, okay, I will click here. If I click here now, the voice will be slower. It was not faster. It was not fast like the former one. If you want it to increase the pace, click on the three dots, okay, playback speed. Then click on maybe below normal, will give you something faster. Okay. If I click on 1.5, the pace will increase. See? Awesome. So these two are the things I want to show you here. So look at this icon. Maybe you don't like what you had. Okay. You click on this icon to edit it. You can also click on this arrow here to redo it. It will give you a different voiceover altogether, right? Then if you want to share it with a unique link, if you click on this share icon here, okay, something that's here, don't know if you saw that thing. That thing said URI copied. So I cannot share it to my friends, okay, for them to download or share it to my community anyhow I want it, right? So this is how to, use our seamless voice genius app. Okay, so we want you to do your own. Okay, if possible, try the custom part. It's very simple. Then if you don't get it, come to the Discord channel, then we'll show you how to do it. We also have amazing demo videos in our YouTube page, your YouTube channel. You're also free to go there and watch them. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. My operation manager, any other thing from me?
Okay, if that's what you have for us, thank you so much, Grace, for the quick and sharp practical hands on ground on this particular app, the Voice Genius of AI 360 Studios. But however, I will also want to go ahead and let them see if I wouldn't want questions to come in now because I know a lot of people have questions. Please, when it's question time, either you type it on this thing or you mute yourself and ask the question. We are here to answer all your questions. So let me share my screen so that we 1 minute. Okay. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. For those of us that are just coming in, what she just did was a practical voice genius section. Now, we saw that, as she has rightly said, there are three layers here. The options for you to choose to do your voice over. Either you copy from the web, or you use a text, or you use a custom. Now, for the web, even if at this point, you see this button here that is advanced and setting. Are we seeing it? Please, if you are seeing it, just give me a one, or somebody just say hi so that I will know that we are following me. Grace, are you seeing this button here? Okay, very good. So you click on this advanced tool if you want to get a more precise output. You click on it, you see this language here, you can decide to change to any language that you wish. It mustn't just be English. Automatically by default, you call it English. So you can change to any language of your choice here, as you can see. Okay, if I click on Spain, Espanol, it will be there. Then the voice, which was trying to explain, US Adam is on default. You can also click the drop down. You see various um, voices that have been embedded inside it. In case you want to play for a particular thing, you want a female voice, you can pick from all these voices there. You can see US Grace, you even play it and listen to the voice first. Did you hear that? So you find out that you can choose from the multitude of template voice that have been embedded inside here, depending on what you want, so that you will not be stereotyped. Then for this particular volume of your voice, you can decide to increase or you decrease it, depending on how you want your volume to come out. That's another feature that is inside the advanced settings of whatever you'll be doing there. Now, if we scroll down to, we'll be seeing number of slides. There was somebody that asked that question in the group the other time, that he was trying to do that. I think just giving him duration of 40, it wasn't even 40 seconds. I think the person was telling us 20 seconds. So it is here you come to change your estimate audio duration to give you the duration you want. Let's say you want to do a voiceover for like maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes, not 20 seconds. What we have here now is minutes and seconds. So you come here and increase the number of slide. The more slide you increase, you see here, if I do 15, it gives me 1 minute, 15 seconds. If I do 20 slides, it gives me 1 minute, 40 seconds. If I do one slide, give me 5 seconds. That means each second is each number of slide. One slide is 5 seconds. So if I do 2, it will give me 10. So if I do 30, it will give me 15. No, it will give me. Let me do 25. Sorry. I want to get the maximum number. The maximum number I can take is 20 slides, which gives us 1 minute, 40 seconds. Then you can now go ahead after you're satisfied with maybe the language and every other thing and create that AI voice over that you need. So when it generates, automatically it comes on your own side because maybe you've not done anything. This side will be empty. But on our own side, as you can see, we already have generated quite a number. It will come on top like this. So as she was rightly saying, you can either download an MP3 format where you click here. If I click it now, let me do that one. I'm coming. You say it, I want to download it. So the audio preview, which is the option she was showing us, and I click on download. It will download the MP3 format automatically on my own system. You can see it is downloading already. So I can go there and copy it and embed it somewhere or do anything I need to do with it or share it or whatever I want to do with it. And it gives us the date it was created. And if I assuming that I want to edit what she has done, I come to this edit place. Let me click on it so that we look at what it looks like. Look at what it looks like here. Look at it. So we can change the scene here. You can put more words here. We can add more voice there. You understand? You can add more text. You can also delete if you wish to. And if you want to increase the number of sections that you have or the scene, you scroll to the downside, you see ask screen. Now before it was 8, now is 9. Are we seeing it? So I can now decide to say, okay, Okay, I can type, I can add another scene again, this scene 9, another scene 10, and I keep increasing the number of scenes as the case may be. You understand? And I can decide to come here, I click on delete. You can see that scene and 10 is gone. I can this scene 9, if I don't want it again, I can come and click on delete, and I click on generate, and it will reproduce it again automatically for us. And I think with this, it's very simple and straightforward. As she has already said before, if you don't like what you have seen, you can redo or you can share. If you are done with it, you can now share it to your social media platform. I click on the share, it will copy shared URL to clipboard. So I can go to any of my social media platform or any other place. Will my Twitter be opening now? Let me see. Sorry. So invariably, you can just go there and share to any of your social media platform and not have any issue at the end of the day. So with this particular voiceover app with Voice Genius from AI 360, you see that it's a very amazing and flexible voiceover you can do with it with ease. So I don't know, before we move to any other thing, do we have any question so that we just ask and, get more acquainted to the app itself? Please, if you have any question, unmute yourself and speak, or you just type inside the chat box so that inside the chat or the comment section. Please, Grace, help me also check if there are questions so that we know.
Okay, the question that we have here is not for Voice Genius app, it's for Graphic Genius. The person said, is there no place I can upload personal image apart from the one in the prompt template? Auntie Queen, no, the Graphic Genius is, like you said, you give it prompt and to give you an amazing output based on the prompt you gave. For the Voice
Okay, does that answer
Genius,
our question? Because
no question here. For Voice Genius, they said the comment I'm seeing here is saying clear explanation. Awesome. All right.
okay, for the person doing the Graphic Genius, don't worry, when we get to the Graphic Genius, we'll tell you how to prompt. Most people, the challenge they have is knowing how to prompt to get their required results. It's always the challenge. So you have to, that was a special class on its own, or it's a special thing on its own you come for. But we'll try and put you through on how to prompt. With your chat GPT, I don't think you have issues trying to get exactly the prompts that you can use to generate the graphics that you need. You understand? So if there is no other question, is there another question? Do you want us to go back and see, look at it so that we know how to do, so that we move on to the next item here? Okay, it appears it's clear enough and is well understood. So are you still seeing my screen? Hello, Grace, are you still seeing my screen?
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Yes, sir.
Okay, I wanted to just let them relax with this video. It's raining here in Port Harcourt. I just hope the network will allow me to do that. Can you hear?
Not yet. Share your audio. It's like it is paused.
Build ad-ready audio clips for local businesses. Use Voice Genius to create
Yeah, we
compelling
can
ad
hear you
scripts with
too.
voiceover, with voice blog posts or ebooks. Turn written content. Here are 7 easy ways to monetize Voice Genius. No tech skills needed. Offer voiceover services to YouTubers, podcasters, and course creators. Create custom intros, narrations, and branded audio, and charge per minute, per project, or monthly retainer. Generate audio versions of blog posts or ebooks. Turn written content into audio and sell it as an audiobook, companion guide, or podcast feed. Build ad-ready audio clips for local businesses. Use Voice Genius to create compelling ad scripts with voiceovers, perfect for radio, reels, and social media ads. Create branded voice templates for coaches or influencers. Produce reusable intros, outros, and promo clips with their voice style. Bundle and sell as a content asset. Use it to power your own podcast or training series. No mic? No problem. Use Voice Genius to produce consistent episodes or training audios hands-free. Add voiceover options to video creation services. If you're using Video Genius or Film Genius, bundle Voice Genius to deliver complete video projects with narration. Sell multilingual audio services with AI voices, generate voiceovers in multiple languages or accents, and serve international clients with localized marketing content. This is just one audio weapon out of 60 plus in AI 360 Studio. Voice Genius lets you turn text into talking, giving you an entire voice production studio in your pocket, without recording gear, editing software, or actors. And it's only one of the 60 plus powerful tools inside AI 360 Studio, the all-in-one AI platform built to help you create, monetize, and scale digital products fast. Ready to produce your first pro voiceover today for your video, ad, or podcast? Join the challenge now at www.ai360studio.com and activate Voice Genius. Tag a content creator, video editor, or online teacher who's wasting hours on recording. Voice Genius is their new best friend.
All right. Thank you so much for listening. Well, for those of us that will just advise, ensure you are always doing practicals on this thing. Try your hands on it often. Don't just relax. Okay, I bought the app. The app is no, no, no. You have to keep trying and use the app. That is the only way you become perfect. They say practice make perfect. So on behalf of the entire team, I want to thank you all for actually being part of today's powerful and insightful section. I want to trust that we've shared an added value to you, and we believe that in our next comic class, you definitely come with a testimony. So we appreciate your time, your energy, and also everything you've been part of us for. So thank you so much. I don't know, Grace, if you have anything to say to them so that we wrap up for today.
Okay, first to Auntie Quincy. She can check out image enhancer. It allows for external upload of any image. So she can try that one out. Again, please, we are after your monetization, part of this program. Don't just subscribe and, be using the app for fun. No, monetize it. Do project with it. Tell your friends about it. Let them pay you for working for them with it, okay? So thank you for joining. Any assignment for them? Any
Let them
challenge?
just go and use their hands and practice and center. We're having a busy week. Yes, that reminds me, our
Awesome.
launch on JVizu is starting on Monday. So our hands will be very busy. It's a 1 week launch. You can also invite others to be a part of it so that they'll pick it there. You see that the price has actually changed. There's a price increase. So we are actually launching from Monday. So it's going to be a very busy week for us. It's a 7-day launch, so we might not have time to check your assignment because we'll be having so many subscribers. So do whatever you need to do. Still send it to the email. We'll look at it. And as you continue to be a part of us, we'll continue to provide the best you can. Please, our social media platform, as she has said, don't forget any video you want. We are uploading as the case may be. Even today, we'll still upload some more videos. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to call either me or get in touch with Grace. My phone number is also 0. Okay, let me just put my phone number there so that in case we are okay, I put it on the chat. I think Grace has also put her own. So let's just do well to be a part of it.
Okay. Another thing, please, if we don't have your WhatsApp number and you are here, please send your WhatsApp number to me. We want to create a unique group for all of us here. Beyond the AYEFA group, please just send your WhatsApp number to me so that we'll get started from there. Yes, somebody is asking, is there any? All right, yes, we have. Don't worry, when you come on board, you have access to all these things. Please, yes, we have. So any other question before we go?
There is thick crepe, there is light crepe.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, I don't think that person is referring to us. I think that was a mistake. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much.
Some people are trying to join now. It's 1 hour program.
They are trying to join now.
I'm saying what
program. We'll send the video. I think what they should do, please ensure you send your WhatsApp number. For those of us that are just joining, we are done with the class. We'll definitely send you a repeat video of it and you watch it. We are compiling them, day 1, day 2, day 3. Probably by tomorrow, you might start getting them on your inbox inside that WhatsApp group. So if you see the link, just ensure you just click and also join. Don't forget to join the Discord platform as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Hello.